Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to get started with Vance AI. So, let us begin. Step number 1. Open your preferred web browser and type vanceai.com in the address bar. Step number 2. On the top right corner of the website, spot the login option. Click there to embark on your journey. Step number 3. Click on Sign Up. You can choose to continue with your Google account or use your email. For this demonstration, I will go with my Google account. Step number 4. Follow the prompts to complete the sign-up process. Step number 5. Congratulations, you are now equipped to harness the power of AI with Vance AI. Step number 6. Dive into your creative adventure. With Vance AI at your fingertips, explore the world of enhanced imagery. So, whether you are refining portraits, landscapes, or any other type of photo, Vance AI Photo Editor is your ally in making your images truly shine. Unleash your creativity today with Vance AI Photo Editor. Start editing and watch your photos come to life. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.